Are you ready for it?
You're gonna get so many burps in this video. These are 18. Yeah. Let's go, people. Hello. I'm back. So, hi, I'm back. Hello, everyone. Oh, that's not how we do it, is it? How long's it been? Over 2 weeks? Hi, everyone. So, where are we at? Hi. And we're good to go.
Listen to me now, it's critical.
Because I just didn't make sure, I wanted to make sure, what do you think of this look? I pictures and all that kind of stuff. And like blah 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 blah. And that is purchased all of you is I'm gonna do my makeup and you're meant to these with fluffy pepper. You should go and have a little follow. Voluminous, volume, lots of volume. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. A mauve, that's the word. Thank you. You behave. So hairy. If you. Do you know what I mean? Do you want me to zoom you in? Yeah, you do. Oh. Man, this feel incredible. Yes. Oh dear. Oh dear. This one I'd say is like perfect. Wow, sorry. Wow, there's gonna be so many in this one. I'm so sorry. Just a little one for you there. Just a little one. A little one. You're welcome. You're absolutely welcome. And I love it if we made it. That's a really big one. You are so welcome, all you burp fetish fans out there. I should have fizzy water more often when I film because you guys love the burps, don't you? Burp fetishes out there. Oh, it's a lovely breeze. I love them so much. Okie dokie, artichokey. Basically making my wrist. Why has it gone blue? Don't go blue, don't go blue, don't go blue, don't go blue, don't go blue. I ain't got time for blue. Okay. Have you gone blue? I'm blue, die. Left, even coming back from all you got this. Rehydrate my body. It's a Sunday, everyone, okay? It's a Sunday. This is NYX liquid liner. No, it's not. Look, you got left, right, keep you coming back from all you got. Oh, it's early, I can't get that high. It's cold. Oh, why am I filming today? It's too hot to film. It's cold! What am I doing? I haven't even told you. Good. Ah! Jesus. You know, a little bit of the Bodywork. Certain things in my life that were meant to hurt me maybe haven't as much. People and like buying fashion stuff. Ow. Ow. Good God. Oh, look at this. Whoa, we were. Oh, I can't believe how tired I am today. It's actually a joke. That it's helped me. Hey, yeah, what's the word? But anyway, you can stay on camera if you want to. It's either the nakedness or the headband. You get either one, you can't have both. Top from, oh, I spat again. Oh, I spat again. So I saw the makeup, oh, I spat. I spat. I blame these, really. So, oh, wow, that was a big spit, that one. It's so big, can you see it? Ah! Oh God, I can't get that wedgie out, right. Oh, I can't even. I can't even.
You should see the things we do, baby.
Look at those lips, they look big and juicy. Also, how long has my hair got? Everyone's commenting on how long it's got recently. It's too hot in here. Getting warm and flustered. Ooh, it's late. As you were. Bow, 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 bow. It's a fluffy hair situation. Like, I don't know. Christ. The swimwear is still wet, but you can't. It doesn't affect you. It just affects me. What's your favourite? That was my brain shutting down. What's June? Can we play? Check it now. There are trains everywhere. I cannot cope with all of the trains everywhere. I forgot about the trains. So many trains around my the same. Everyone in the world is either flying over my house or on the train past my house. I don't know what's going on. For the one I've been missing. Why won't let the train go by? Calm, calm, keep it calm. Keep it calm. What do you call it? Lost. I can literally see spit when I'm talking coming from them. Is that normal? Weird. It's getting weird, it's late. One, two, three, drink. There's something wrong. Yes, you're right, there is something wrong. Amateur hour. The camera just freaked out in the heat. Stop singing. I love it. Ah. Hope you guys. I want to do that because I haven't shown my armpits. I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked the react. Oh my god. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are already subscribed as well, if you're already subscribed, if you're already subscribed and you here on Instagram, and please leave them down in the jazz. Please subscribe. And please, if you're new here, please subscribe. Thank you guys. Oh my god, how many times am I going to thank you, right? Please stop spitting, Hannah. Please subscribe if you. Yeah, please just give them. Please give this video please whack that notification bell on. Please subscribe if you are new here and hit that notification bell on. Oh, hit that notification bell on because I upload 2 times. Oh, well, a bit of a slap, wasn't it? Cool.
Ready for it?
Na 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 na. Yeah, rumbling.